Okay, so now we want to get our website to now be responsive, meaning if it's like on the phone size, it looks nice. So let's go inspect, let's do the phone size. And if you can see right here, you see our navigation bar doesn't look really good. It's all cluttered up. So we need to clean that up a bit. So what we're going to do is, first thing we're going to do is we're going to create one of those like hamburger menu bars to adjust to for when it gets smaller. So you can go put it back to normal for now. And if you scroll up to the top of your HTML and under this logo, under the cart image right here, we're going to just do enter, and this is where we're going to add IMG. Inside that IMG, we're going to do src equals images / and this will be our menu picture right there, our menu image, and let's give that a class of equals menu - icon. Okay, and then we're going to add some JavaScript to it, which we'll use later. Is on click. On click, we want to call menu toggle. Remember to put parentheses after that. Save. So we got our picture, we got menu icon, and then on click will be menu toggle. Okay? So right there, now we're gonna style what we want it to look like. Okay, 1 second. All right, so now we're gonna go back to our CSS, highlight this for footer, and we'll go to media query. Media, QUERIES, media queries. And now for this media query, we're gonna go at media screen. No, at media only screen and max width, and we're going to go 800 px. So once it hits at 800 px, that's when these styles will kick in. So we're going to focus on the nav UL, and in the nav UL, what we can do is scroll up to the nav UL already. Okay. Actually, this is going to change a lot, so we don't need that. So in the nav UL, we're going to change it to position absolute, and top is going to be, let's see, top is going to be 70 px, left, let's see, it's already looking here. There you go. So we're already under 800. Okay, just so we can start seeing it as we're doing it. Left is going to be 0. Okay. Hold on. There you go. Left is going to be 0. And let's go background is going to be 333. We'll go width. Width 100%. Good. There we go. See how it's changing right here? So look, watch, check this number. When it goes higher than 800, see how it goes away? And when it's smaller than 800, these are when these styles are going to appear. So we got, and that's what this is talking about. So width, 800, and then let's go overflow, hidden, okay, and overflow hidden, and then our transition, which we'll end up applying once we have our JavaScript in place. Max, which we'll do after in a second. Height 0.5 seconds. I'll come back to that to show you what that's going to end up being. So now, next, we'll go copy this, paste, space li, curly braces, and then let's go display, and it's going to be block this time. Block, so that, yeah, I want a nice solid block right there. And let's go margin. We're going to do 10 at the top, 10 px, 50 px on the right side, 10 px at the bottom, and 0 on the left side. Go ahead and save that. Boom, boom, boom. Looks good, looks good. And now let's copy this and add for the anchor tags to change the color, and let's make that the words white so we can see them. Okay, look at that. Smooth, smooth. Okay, and then also let's clean up our menu icon. That right there was, where we go, right here, menu icon. We can copy it. Spelling is the same. Paste, curly braces, menu icon, and let's go display. We want to block as well. And we'll put the cursor on it. Pointer. Good. Cursor, pointer, menu, dash icon. Okay, so now what we will do is add some JavaScript to that. Let's actually first, we'll clean up our rows. See how this is all getting jumbled up? Let's clean up our rows, and then we'll add the JavaScript to that at the end. Okay. So we'll do one more media query under here. We can copy this, paste, and instead of max, Yes, keep the max, but we'll go 600 this time. So we'll look at what it looks like when it's below 600. Good, good, good. And now put your curly braces in there. And now, so inside, let's first go row. We'll clean up our rows. And we'll go text, align. We'll put it in the center. Good, good. All of our columns now. Column 1, comma, column, I meant column 2, column 3, comma, and column 4. Curly braces. Let's give that a flex basis of 100%. There you go. So that it's full within it. Good, good, good. Now, check it out. You see, this is our menu thing, and it's too big. And the rest of the hamburger menu is behind that, but it's too big. So let's do this. Copy, paste. Let's go menu, maybe like nav menu. Well, it's for the phone, so let's go phone menu. Phone menu. What do we call that? Phone menu. Right here, this menu toggle, menu icon. So go ahead, grab this class, copy, put the period, bam. There you go. Let's go width. 28 px, margin left, give some space on the left side, 20 px, and then display. We're doing display none for when it is not smaller than 800 px. So right there, display none, good. So for right now, it's smaller than 800 px, but then look, if I increase it, let's see this, increase it, close this. There, see how it's gone? So that when you do go on the phone, boom, boom, phone size, now it is there. Okay, now right now there's no clicking option, like it's just gonna be here. We've gotta add some JS to it, some JavaScript to it so that it will flow. All right. Okay, so what we're gonna do is create a folder, JS. See how mine just ended up going into this CSS folder? Pull it out. Pull it out of there. Okay. And then make script.js. Good. Now in script.js, we're going to write it in. So this is going to be the / boom. Whoops. I like to comment it out. Good. This will be toggle menu. We'll start off with, made the comment. Now, let's make a variable. Menu items equals document dot get element by ID, and then parentheses right here, menu items. Boom. And remember, menu items, get element by ID. What we're talking about, go to the HTML, is right here. This is, we've given this the menu items ID, which is this, menu items. Okay. Boom, boom. Okay, we're gonna go menu items, dot style, dot max height. Max height. We're gonna go equals 0px. Very good. Good. Okay, so now we're gonna create a function within this. We're gonna call this function menu toggle. Menu toggle, curly braces, make sure. So this function right here, menu toggle, we are calling it right here. Once you click, we're gonna do menu toggle. It's gonna do what we end up writing within this function. So the first thing we're gonna do, the first condition we're gonna set is if, parentheses, we can go and grab this right here, copy, paste, if menu items dot style dot max height equals, so put two equals, quotation 0px, then make sure to put curly braces behind this. We can, just to separate it, go ahead and put this down here. Then what we want to happen, boom, boom, is we want menu items, copy here, paste, to equal 200px, semicolon. Nice. Now, else, another condition, so put those curly braces, there you go. Else, otherwise, if it is already 200px so that it comes back up, paste that, then we want it 0px. Nice. Okay, go ahead and save that. Remember to check, so 2 equals, and then these ones are just 1 equal signs. 1 equal sign. Now, this JS is an external sheet. We need to link it to our HTML. The way to do that, because like, look, I saved it, nothing's gonna happen. But now we need to link it at the bottom of our HTML, on top of our front font awesome link. I may not have already put this in, but yeah, we're gonna put JS for toggle menu. You can go ahead and type that. And now we're gonna go script equals src equals JS / script. JS / script.js. And close that and save. And now we should be good. Nice. So now this JavaScript is linked to our HTML. And now when we are below 800px, so like a phone size, our toggle menu will pop up. If we're large, boom, it's smooth. And then get smaller, it comes up and it works. Very good. Good job.